Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel. Headache got you down? What if I told you the main culprit is in our neck? Didn't understand? Let me explain. But if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join the community. You'll get the latest updates on physiotherapy home plans, health tips, and so much more. Don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Subscribe now. Today we are going to explore cervicogenic headaches, their causes, symptoms, and a simple physiotherapy home plan to help you find relief. Your head is balanced on top of your spine, connected by the amazing muscles. These muscles help you move your head smoothly, but sometimes they get tight and irritable. This tightness can irritate nerves in your upper neck, sending pain signals straight to your head. It's cervicogenic headache. So, how do you know if your headache is cervicogenic? Clinically, these headaches can be identified by a healthcare professional through a physical examination. They might look for tenderness in the neck, limited neck movement, and specific neck postures that trigger the headache. If you suspect a cervicogenic headache, it's always best to see your therapist to rule out other causes. But once diagnosed, physiotherapy can be your hero. Here are some symptoms. The pain usually starts at the back of your head and neck and can spread to your forehead. You might feel stiff neck muscles, making it hard to turn your head. Light sensitivity and nausea, reduced range of motion in the neck, possible shoulder or arm pain. Now, let's get to the part you have been waiting for, a simple physiotherapy home plan to help alleviate cervicogenic headaches. Here are some simple exercises you can do. Remember, consult a physiotherapist for personalized guidance. Start with heat therapy. Use hot packs to apply heat to your neck muscles to relax them. Now do some gentle stretches. Sit or stand up straight. Gently tilt your head towards one shoulder until you feel a stretch on the opposite side. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. Repeat 3 times, feeling a gentle pull, not pain. Chin tucks. Sit or stand with your back straight. Gently tuck your chin in as if making a double chin and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. This helps strengthen neck muscles. Strengthening exercises. Don't just stretch, build strength. Do some isometric neck exercises. Let's start. Neck press. Sit or stand with a good posture, shoulders relaxed. Place your palm on your forehead. Gently press your forehead against your hand, but don't push your head forward. Hold for 10 seconds and feel the muscles in your front neck engage. Relax and repeat 3 to 5 times. Lateral neck press. Sit or stand with good posture, shoulders relaxed. Place your palm on the side of your head, just above your ear. Gently press your head sideways against your hand, but don't tilt your head. Hold for 10 seconds and feel the muscles on the side of your neck engage. Relax and repeat on the other side. Do 3 to 5 repetitions on each side. Posterior neck press. Sit or stand with good posture, shoulders relaxed. Clasp your hands behind your head, fingers interlaced. Gently press your head back against your hand, but don't arch your back. Hold for 10 seconds and feel the muscles in the back of your neck engage. Relax and repeat 3 to 5 times. Now it's time for neck rotation. Sit or stand straight. Spread the scarf or towel or any elastic band. And if you are using a scarf, then fold it lengthwise into a long firm band. Wrap the folded scarf around your neck with the folded part positioned at the base of your skull. Hold each end of the scarf with opposite hand. Slowly turn your head to the right as far as comfortable. Hold for 5 seconds, then turn to the left. Repeat 10 times, then switch the side. This increases neck flexibility. Shoulder blade squeezes. Sit or stand with arms by your sides. Squeeze your shoulder blades together and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat 10 times. This improves posture and reduces neck strain. Posture. How you hold your body matters. Practice good posture while sitting, standing, and sleeping. Keep your computer screen at eye level and avoid slouching. Good posture reduces neck strain and prevents headaches. By incorporating these exercises into your daily routine, you can reduce the frequency and intensity of cervicogenic headaches. Remember, consistency is the key. If your headache persists, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health-related tips. Share it with anyone who might benefit. Thank you.